Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra without Google account. So if you don't have Google account and you wish to perform the factory reset because you don't remember the password for the lock screen, then what you need to do is first of all power off your device. Now usually you can go to for instance, the quick access and turn off through the power menu like that. However, in this case I cannot really do that because the device asks me to enter the pin code before I can turn off the tablet. So instead we need to perform the force restart, and in the middle we want to go to the recovery mode. And in order to do that, first we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So if you press and hold both buttons, you will need to hold that for like 10 or 15 seconds, and after the screen turns off, immediately after that you want to switch from volume down to volume up, and you want to hold power button and volume up. So there we go. Now we switch to the power button and volume up. Hold these and hold until you see the recovery menu. So even if you see Samsung Galaxy logo, still keep holding those two buttons. And there we go. Now you can release both buttons. And the next thing that you can do is use volume up and volume down in order to navigate in the recovery mode. And simply choose wipe data / factory reset, confirm by pressing the power button. And then once again, go down with the volume down and then confirm with power button that you want to do the factory data reset. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.